Python added a cleaner way to create type aliases using the new type statement. But does it actually do anything different from just writing, let's say, user ID equals integer? We will find out in this video. Let's say I want to create a function that will get me the user's ID. And I will pass only the ID, and I want to tell anyone who will look at this code that the type of this parameter is actually user ID. Then I will just print the user's ID, and that's it. If I call this function get user ID and pass 30909, some dummy ID, and run the code, you can see that it actually works. But what happens if I write here type and then user ID equals integer? When I run the code, it also works. So for simple examples, both of these versions work, but this keyword type makes your intention clearer. This is a type alias, not a normal variable. So for longer code, this version is much cleaner and better. If you want another modern Python feature that can make your code cleaner, watch my video on slots next. And don't forget to subscribe for more Python videos.